Purple Mash has had incredibly positive impact on the school, particularly because computing was one of those subjects that didn't really get much of the focus that some of the core subjects had, and we've been quite reliant on specialists.
A lot of the teachers lacked a lot of confidence in computing lessons, and computing lessons were those lessons that they all rolled their eyes at, going, do I really have to do this every week? And the new Purple Mash scheme of work came in and it was a lifesaver for me.
Purple Mash has helped me with my confidence in teaching because it's very accessible. There's so many different programmes on there and the children absolutely love doing it. It's just got such a variety, so many different things.
The PowerPoints are all there, the resources are all there, so they can just go in and feel supported enough to deliver the best lessons that they possibly can.
To go from a small starting point for computing to a point where most of our staff are now fully confident, it allowed the teachers to have less to focus on. So they weren't overloaded in terms of cognitive overload and they could just embrace it and do the best they could.
I can go onto Purple Mash, create a bespoke worksheet based on a topic, because Purple Mash have got all the frames, the templates. You can set the writing tasks for the children where it gives them prompts.
The to-do section for the teachers is fabulous because we can quite clearly see if children aren't doing the work or they need support or they need praise.
Purple Mash helps the children with their confidence because it is so accessible no matter what their ability.
Because the curriculum ever evolves, Purple Mash evolves too. A perfect example is the children now fully embrace block coding, but now they get an opportunity, even in year 6 when they're ready, to move on to more advanced coding.
The impact that Purple Mash has had, it's a very positive one where staff feel supported and the CPD that we've received has helped them, and the children love it and use it all the time.
Despite school budgets being tight, we have seen a fantastic impact from our investment in Purple Mash, and predominantly because it allows for this consistency that isn't always present in other approaches or other schemes.
It saves loads of time on the staff point of view for planning and preparation and assessment of lessons. The computing scheme of work gives you everything you need. There are other schemes of work that Purple Mash offer as well, which again save time because all resources are there.
It is really easy to use Purple Mash. It's open to everybody and everyone can play it. It doesn't matter how old you are, and it's really fun for all different ages.
If we didn't have Purple Mash, I would probably find computing boring because there's always really fun stuff to do on Purple Mash.
Purple Mash is cool, fun and amazing.
Turns everyday teachers into computing specialists.